Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen, and this is a space where we can just hang out, be friends, and make some interesting nail art together. If you've seen a few of my videos, then you know I love a theme, and today's theme is McDonald's. It's gonna be super cute and fun. And if you have a good time watching along with me today, take a moment to like the video and subscribe for more. As you can see, I'm all set with my kawaii charms, so fast food chic over here. And yeah, I'm going to customize. I already started customizing that one, but I'll finish it on camera. And the rest of them are fine, they don't need much. I made these custom stickers on my Cricut, and I'll be using this glitter acrylic, and it's kind of like yellowy with these flakes of mylar that give me lettuce vibes. So that's why I went with it. This acrylic is from Hot Tips Nail Box, but I'm pretty sure they're not in business anymore, so sorry, you cannot buy this, but I'm still going to use them. Anyway, let's get into painting this Hello Kitty charm. I need to give a huge shout out to my friend Kristen. We have the same name. She's in the US and we became friends on Instagram. We did a charm exchange, and all the charms that I'm going to be using today, except for the piercing ones, they're all from my friend Kristen, so thank you, girl. I literally could not make this out without you. If you're on Instagram, go give her a follow. She does really cute videos and lots of charm content. Anyway, I'll put her handle up and go give us both a follow on there. I friggin' love Instagram. I know it kind of sucks right now with the reels being promoted and, well, posts not being promoted and all this stuff, but I still love Instagram. It's still like the main place where I like to hang out in terms of social media. So yeah, if you are also an Instagrammer, come join me on there. Let's interact. I'm definitely way more active on there. I'm just adding some little eyelashes, and I kind of feel like they made Hello Kitty look a little bit like a mean girl. Like, she's gonna serve you a burger, but she is not gonna be happy about it, but she's also gonna look bomb, you know? Anyway, I'm adding a little bit of blush. Super cute. For a while, I wasn't sure what to do about the arms. I was gonna leave them pink, but as you can see, I decided to turn them red, and I think it was a good decision. I'm still not 100% convinced that making her head bow black was a great move. Maybe that should be red also, but whatever. It's still, she's so cute. She ends up looking so cute once I get that little Cricut M put on her uniform. For applying this first Cricut sticker, I'm using actual transfer tape that you're supposed to use, but it's not very strong. I really didn't like using it, and when I put on more stickers later, I actually switched back to using just plain old packing tape, which is what has been working well for me up until this point. This part is so cute. I love how this just like brings it together for me. Like, yes, oh my god, so freaking cute. I love it so much. She's definitely the pride and joy of this set in my eyes. For a brief moment, I thought about doing a matte top coat over this charm, and then I was like, wait a second, this bitch works at McDonald's. There's no way she's matte. This bitch is greasy. Like, we are making it shiny, glossy top coat all the way. I want you to let me know down below in the comment section what your favorite thing from McDonald's is. Like, if you haven't had it in a really long time and you're going there, you're gonna treat yourself, what are you getting? I wanna know. I think for me, I love the nuggets. I mean, everyone loves the nuggets, I think, but that's definitely my, like, if I'm going there and I'm gonna treat myself, that's what I'll get. Okay, moving right along into the nails themselves, I'm going to be using the Femi Beauty Method application, which is basically just using the acrylic on the underneath side of full cover nail tips. This is probably my favorite way to use acrylic because it's way more like painterly versus sculpting. I find it just like way easier to work with this method personally. So, what I did with these was I sized up every tip one size bigger than it needed to be. So, they were all one size too big for all of my nails. And I decided to apply a really thin layer around the part where it's actually going to connect to my nail. And instead of like attaching it to my nail while the acrylic is still wet so that it like adheres to my nail, I'm actually going to try to turn these into acrylic press-ons, which I've never like tried it this way, like putting the acrylic underneath and just being really strategic about how thin it is around the nail bed, and the rest of it doesn't matter, but it needs to be really thin around the nail bed so it actually like goes on. And yeah, shockingly, it actually worked. I was so happy. I mean, it's not like, I don't think it's like a great method because it wasn't like a really smooth surface for my nail to stick down to, but for now, I'm just using like glue tabs, and so it worked just fine for that. So yeah, pretty cool, kind of exciting. The glitter acrylic is just so captivating. I really enjoyed watching back this footage. I was tempted to leave in the entire application, but I'm just going to show one more nail and then we're going to move on to the next step. So I hope you enjoy the beauty of this glitter acrylic as much as I do. I think glitter acrylic is like my favorite thing to use, period, hands down. So gorgeous. Anyway, I'm just going to pop out for a minute, but I will be back shortly. I initially wasn't going to film this part, but it's just so beautiful. This isn't even the top coat, this is just a base coat, and like, look at this. Like, damn, bitch, that's so fucking nice. I was shook. I was shook, it was so pretty. The reason I'm using base gel instead of a top gel is, well, one, top coat is like a precious commodity to me, so anytime when I can swap out base coat, I will. But it also is, I find it works really well for putting stickers down and also adhering charms and stuff, so that's my reasoning, if you're wondering. You know, my initial plan for the nails was to just do them in a plain, kind of like pale yellow color and maybe shade them on the sides so that they looked like French fries. And it was kind of a more last minute decision that I wanted to go with the glitter acrylic instead. I kind of just had it in my head that I wanted this set to be really like almost too much, really in your face, visually aggressive, almost obnoxious. And yeah, that's why I went with the more like, yeah, this multifaceted look just to make it a lot, to make it almost too much. I'm using my trusty Makartt Rhinestone glue. I really like how this stuff works, but I really dislike how hard I have to squeeze to get it out. So if anyone has a rhinestone glue that they really enjoy, that is just like easier to get out of its packaging, please let me know. Also, these charms are really heavy, so it was actually kind of difficult to get everything on where I wanted to be because they were just sliding around so much. Anyway, I cut a lot of that out because it was just me struggling to get it in the place. I apply the M stickers on the middle finger and the thumb. I'm back to using my trusty old packing tape to transfer the images. It works great. And most of the fingers get decorated really heavily, but I definitely leave the thumb out. I put some stickers on it and that's it because I almost always forget to photograph it. It just gets in the way. So like, yeah, we're cutting the thumb pretty much. I think I'm actually going to pop out for a bit. For some reason, I'm not feeling like I have a ton of stuff to say. Sometimes I can just ramble on, and today I'm just like, I don't really know what to talk about. I'm decorating them. Anyway, I hope you enjoy watching it. I'll be back in like a minute or two anyway. And in true stab nails fashion, I am piercing these nails. These adorable little food charms came from the same charm set that I got the donut ones from last week's video. I was just like, oh my god, perfect. Like I wanted to make donut nails and I wanted to make the McDonald's nails and like I just got everything I could have possibly needed. And again, they're like jewelry charms, so they're really like heavy and really nice enamel and I really love the look of it. I really love the look of that. Wow. It turned out so cool. I love each nail individually, which always happens whenever you do sets like this. Oh, that one's so good. The little burger. For these ones, well, not for these ones, for this one and I think another one, I just added the hoops to the little heart things. I was like, I don't want to drill any more holes and that will work perfectly well. So that's what I did. How adorable. Oh my god, I love it. Time for some product placement. I'm using my favorite top coat from Tickled Pinque Canada. I have a code with them. It's STAB10 for 10% off your order, but it only works in Canada, so sorry about that to all my outside of Canada friends. Now that I'm actually doing the top coat, it's not nearly as magical as when I did it earlier with the base coat, so I'm just going to show you this one thumb and then we're going to move right along to the reveal. Okay, I'm creeping in with the finished set. I'm so excited because it turned out a lot like how I envisioned it. I get those feels like it's a lot, but I love it. Super kawaii. Let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to hear from you. Just say hi, leave a burger emoji, share it with your friends, give it a like, maybe even subscribe. I would appreciate it so much. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for being here, and I will see you all in the next one.